Alright, so I forgot to bring my little GoPro home so I could record this job. So I'm doing a primary, doing a stator. So stator, compensator, stator hub, this shifter arm back here. Yeah, and then chain adjustment and stuff. But check this out. I don't know if how that's coming out on camera, but the primary broke. I wonder where the oil leak was coming from. You know, not paying attention. Like, yeah, that fucker is broke. Bigger than shit. So anyway, that's enough for now.